Welcome! I'm Lita, and today we're taking a deep dive into this fascinating and beautiful virtual jungle created entirely by Google's AI. Look at these AI-generated animals. They are so lifelike and natural, with an enchanting sparkle in their eyes that seems to come from beyond our world. Their stunning designs and vibrant colors go beyond our wildest imagination. Each creature is a new experience. We are amazed by their unique shapes, movements, and the intricate details of their bodies. These aren't just images, they are new forms of life created by AI. From the majestic, glowing lion with a mane of starlight to the playful, bioluminescent fish swimming through ethereal coral reefs, every animal tells a story. The intricate patterns on a butterfly's wings, the gentle curve of a dolphin's fin, all are a testament to the power of artificial intelligence. In this journey, you've witnessed how technology and creativity can come together to create something truly extraordinary and beautiful. I hope you've enjoyed this captivating adventure.